guys, in this video I am going to show you how to transform your picture by flipping, rotating or distorting it on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and go to the start creating section at the top of the screen. Now tap on edit photo and select the picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the transform icon. Tap on H flip, thereby flipping your picture vertically, and you can also do it horizontally, as you can see. And the last icon is the rotate button, so you can rotate it into 4 directions. And there is also the distort icon that you can use, so tap on one of the points and start positioning it, and thereby distorting your picture how you want to do it. So if you are satisfied with the result, then tap on the check mark icon down below, thereby saving your changes. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.